Hi, I would like to thank Shiny Harbor for sending me this desk pad, which is also a mouse pad, so that I could show you all about it and tell you how I like it. So if you're like me at all, I know a lot about Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Windows, and Outlook, but I forget a lot of what the commands are to get to the function that I want to use. And so that's why I like this, because it will show you and me what the keystrokes are to get to all of these shortcuts. So on the left is Excel, then we have Word, PowerPoint shortcuts, Windows shortcuts, and Outlook shortcuts. And another thing that I really like about this is that at the bottom it shows some different office, desk, sitting in the chair exercises, almost like a desk yoga or a chair yoga, which is really important too when you get caught up sitting in your chair and working for 8 hours a day. So this is really nice. It's a very good material, kind of a grippy, not sticky, but grippy on the back side so it doesn't move around. It's a perfect mouse pad. And then it's also got woven edges. So it resists, there, hopefully that's focused in, it resists fraying. So thanks again to Shiny Harbor. I love this. I know that I will use this a lot, and I highly recommend it. Thanks.